Welcome to INFOtechTURE.
A talk show that gives you information on the current technological trends in relation to nature.
I'm Terence Cusino.
And I'm Andy de Guzman.
Hello Philippines.
Hello world. Once again, this is INFOtechTURE. All the televiewers all over the country, good day.
To all the native Tagalogs, magandang araw.
To all the Visayans, maayong adlaw sa inyo atanan.
And for all the Mindaweños, bang! So are you excited for today, partner?
Definitely, because today we're going to tackle about the green technology.
In our featured company, the HP Philippines.
So, first things first, what is technology?
Technology, a widely used term, is defined as the usage of scientific purpose. Its etymology came from the Greek word technologia, which pertains to the art or skill of learning something. Technology affects human and animal species' ability to control and adapt changes in the environment. Its usage began with the transformation of natural resources into simple tools. With the emergence of technological advancements such as telephone, printing press, process, and the internet have lessened the physical barriers to communication and allowed people to interact freely on a global scale. Many technologies have risen that were of great help in a wider perspective, but not all has been used for peaceful aims as the formulation of weapons, with ever-increasing detrimental power as perpetuated in our history. One concept that has risen in the early 90s to address global environment issues is the so-called green technology.
So, what is green technology? Green technology encompasses a continuously evolving group of methods and materials for generating techniques of energy to non-toxic cleaning products. The term GT should be within the scope of people's knowledge within the competence of the precondition, not doing harm to existing social productivity and standard of human being.
Elaborate further their products and services, let us welcome the representative of our featured company, the HP Philippines. Welcome to the show.
Welcome to INFOtechTURE.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here. And good day to all the viewers.
So, what is the objectives of HP company?
HP is geared towards the provision of outstanding low-carbon solutions and energy-efficient products which use safer materials and greener packaging.
What does it provide?
It provides a product recycling service programs for printer and computer hardware.
What are the innovations of HP?
It undergoes innovations to help extend the life of IT hardware through the repairs and remanufacturing programs.
So to end this, what is your message to all the consumers out there?
To continue patronizing HP for they are assured of the low cost of the product plus the high quality.
So thank you very much for your time. So, what do you think is the significance of studying green technology?
This study bears significance in the sense that customer and consumer demand force companies to engage in environmental issues and offer green products. Many companies' consumption or otherwise improve environmental performance. Many of our nation's companies have demonstrated that through technology, they can do more business with less energy. Now, we must ensure that we must maximize the energy efficiency and environmental benefits that technology brings to our economy, and those benefits are shared by all. When it comes to the increased environmental awareness, consumers increasingly demand products that are less harmful. Solutions in the future will likely be a combination of environmentally smarter products.
What do you think are the advantages of eco-friendly technology?
The advantages of eco-friendly technology seem obvious. When energy is clean and can slow the effects of global warming by reducing CO2 emissions. Green energy is renewable, unlike the natural gas and coal that are primary sources now. It requires less maintenance than conventional
environmental campaigning of the companies and their various ways to approach global environmental challenges. We give emphasis to the concern of the business regarding investment in green technologies. Sustainable development requires that private corporations adopt green technology, which in many cases also improves firm profitability. A high-tech innovation plays an important role for the public because it is in trend, giving high usefulness, accessibility, and even satisfaction. And the result was business took all those opportunities investing with green technologies.
If you would conduct a research, what do you think would be the scope and limitation for green technology?
Green technology is a widely known concept of using environmental friendly materials to produce devices and gadgets. Its influx and perceived implication on HP Philippines. However, it is limited to information sources taken from the internet and books or publication, only because interviews to our subject were not permitted to be done so.
Excuse me, madams.
Yes.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What are the current technological trends based on HP locally and globally?
For local perspective, HP is creating a green computing strategy. Each segment has a different take on the environmental objectives, like future of green printing. HP DesignJet and Crytex printers use HP latex printing technology that offers PSP with more environmentally sound digital print options. Water-based and odorless HP latex and UV inks use solvent ink technology as opposed to hazardous inks that do not produce ozone emission during printing and do not contain harmful air pollutants.
Internationally, environmental responsibility is the new landmark. For decades, HP's effort, innovation, and designer are reflected our long-standing commitment to the environment and led to two awarding programs both in the US and globally. As one of the first companies to comply with the US EPA Energy Star program, HP has been offering PCs with energy-efficient features since 1992.
Great, thank you for answering my question.
You're welcome, madam.
You're welcome.
For our conclusion, let us call Ms. Ramirez. With the information taken from different and diverse sources, we therefore conclude that the use of green technology has a wide effect in the lives of people as it brings convenience to them due to low cost, high quality products plus the beneficial effects to our environment. With regards to HP company, therefore the products with application of green technology by the process of recycling.
For our recommendation, let us welcome Mr. John Mark Tudor.
We therefore recommend that electronics companies should implement the green technology in the production of products to avoid harmful effects to our environment like this. Will not fair promote practice in the cost of production.
This is INFOtechTURE.